Alright, so once you have the cover off, you remove 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this whole thing just pops off this way. And then you've got nice old dusty or maybe clean air filter. Pull that sucker out because it looks like it's kind of dirty. Anyway, and we're gonna put this bad boy in.